Hi, David Reyes here with Reyes Financial Architecture. I want to give you a quick update, kind of what's happening, what happened this last week. The market was down in one single day, 1,800 points. The Dow was down 7%. The worst day since March 13th, the beginning of this whole COVID crisis, where the market was down 35%. A lot of things attributed to that. The most important is that the market was extremely overbought. If you remember, we talked a long time ago, if you've heard me talk before, is that we had the market fall in about a 3-week period between 35 to 40%. And this is what I call phase one. Phase one is that usually there's 3 phases of a bear market. Phase one was the drop of 35%. Phase two is the recovery. Okay? Typically the recovery is between 20 to 25%. This was 40. Market was up 40% in 50 days. So what happens next is phase three, which is the most important, and this is typically the drawdown again. We don't know if it's going to look like this or if it's going to look like this, and then recover. We're not sure. This is the big unknown. But we already had one day was down 7%. What that shows you is the market is still very, very fragile. The Federal Reserve has pumped a lot of money into the market. That works temporarily. It doesn't work forever. So this big rise in the market, don't get too sucked into it because there's going to be more pain to come. We're also looking into an election year. And of course, this year is probably different than most. So bottom line, be careful. If you want to look at ways to protect what you have and still grow your money, or we call it protect and participate. A lot of things that we do. I'd love to help you. Review your portfolio, look at the risk that you have, look at the fees you pay. Most of you that own mutual funds are paying anywhere from 2 to 3% in fees. We can help you reduce your cost, decrease your risk. So if you want to reach out to me, just give us a call, and I'd love to sit down and talk with you. Thank you.